Innovation is happening right under our noses no matter where we are in the world. Let's take a look at some groundbreaking technologies in development around the globe. Our journey begins in California, where Google is bringing a whole new meaning to the term wearables. The company is developing clothes that double as remote controls for our devices. The garments are manufactured with wiring and sensors woven into their fabrics. They're designed so that areas like the cuffs and sleeves become interactive surfaces triggered by touch. All the wearer has to do is sync their clothing to their smartphone, and they'll be able to control their device by touching those spots. They can start playing music by tapping their cuff and change the song by swiping on it. They can also tap while using Google Maps to hear the next turn they need to make and swipe upwards to hear incoming text messages. Google is working with brands like Levi's to make connected clothing mainstream. Pretty soon, they could be a staple in your wardrobe. We move along to Germany for an innovative twist on the manufacturing process, or should I say, pull. This is the Pulley Chain, devised by ARHT. It's a reinvention of the chain tension systems that move machines around in manufacturing operations. These processes typically exert a lot of pushing force on mechanical parts that cause a lot of wear and tear. The Pulley Chain avoids this by pulling parts along a slider using cables. This greatly reduces the strain on factory machines and keeps them in service much longer. The end result is greater productivity on the factory floor, and that's worth pulling for. And lastly, we land in Toronto for a technology bringing us closer to the action. It's not teleportation, but it may very well be the next best thing.
How you doing, Peter?
That was Tony Robbins speaking to an audience live, except he wasn't actually there. Instead, he was in a studio miles away being turned into a hologram. A company called ARHT Media has developed a way to create and broadcast hyper-realistic holographic images. Special camera equipment first captures footage of the speaker, and then a software platform transmits it onto displays at the event location. The company has created holograms of celebrities such as physicist Stephen Hawking, Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau, and rapper Notorious B.I.G. ARHT Media has wowed audiences at major conventions around the world and is now working with universities to create holographic lectures. That way, students everywhere can access world-class educators regardless of geography or physical limitations. It's technology you have to see to believe. And that's our wrap of the top innovations from around the world.